Billex. Unifying trust.
Utilizing hybrid bills of exchange in banking. Billex Trade Finance Corporation Canada has introduced eBillex and eBillex platforms to the banking industry and is pioneer of innovation in fintech and risk management solutions. Billex is a hybrid bill of exchange, in printing, having electronic backup on cloud, which enables it to be verified and authenticated by banks or their customers. Billex creates a social networking among banks and customers who mainly are using a bill of exchange, as in documentary collection or letter of credit. Banks having access to eBillex platform will reflect relevant transactions to users registered in eBillex, such as issuance, acceptance or endorsement of a bill of exchange. Therefore, a drawer will directly receive notifications on acceptance or endorsement of his bills by email or in his account in eBillex platform. A drawee will be automatically notified about his possible liabilities upon issuing a Billex in any bank anywhere in the world. Also, users or banks are able to verify a Billex online or download a comprehensive report on a bill of exchange. Now, let's see how Billex works and how these interactions take place in process of issuing a Billex.
This is eBillex platform interface, available at www.ebillex.com. In this website, end users can manage their Billexes and see their orders. As well, acceptance or rejection declaration, endorsement request or verification take place here. Any individual of legal age, or any company, can register a free account with eBillex. Registration is actually creating a profile including your legal status, contacts and access details. Please remember that your data remain confidential with eBillex. You may also upload your signature using a very advanced signature intake method, including uploading an image, signing on a trackpad, or signing on your tablet or smartphone.
For companies, there are options of having jointly signature rule or solely signature rule. These rules will reflect into your bill of exchange report later. However, you may edit signatory part of your profile later after registration. By registering an account with eBillex, you are given a unique eBillex ID. This ID acts like an account number for you and platform to retrieve your information later by banks.
eBillex is the platform granting admin access to the banks to issue and manage Billexes. eBillex is highly secure platform and not available to bank customers. Any user in eBillex, including creator, authorizer, branch manager, report maker or customer service, has a few tabs in common in his or her dashboard. Branch lookup, bank staff lookup, eBillex ID lookup and Billex verification tabs are available to all users in a bank. Branch lookup enables users to search for other banks having access to eBillex platform up to a branch level. Bank staff lookup enables users to search for banks officers based on their staff IDs and also retrieve their signatures in case they have signed on Billexes under banks. eBillex ID lookup opens a window to eBillex platform and makes it possible for banks to check their customers based on their eBillex IDs. To issue a Billex, a creator needs first to log into the eBillex. Then, from the dashboard on the left, he or she will choose order and starts the Billex issuance process. To have drawer, drawee or payee in a Billex, creator should retrieve the information by looking at their eBillex ID.
Hence, the customer ordering a Billex needs to provide issuing bank with the eBillex IDs for all the parties in a bill of exchange. Nevertheless, banks are yet able to look up an eBillex ID and verify the identity of the person having a role in the Billex, or even to conduct a due diligence if necessary. Creator can choose his or her own bank as a party in a Billex as well, simply by selecting his or her bank name in the menu, before looking up for any eBillex ID. Also, Creator is able to choose other banks which are eBillex users, as Draw-E or Pay-E, just by looking up for their business ID in a branch-level category or headquarters. In a Billex, Pay-E could be any bank, any person or even bearer. After retrieving all information about the Billex parties, Creator needs to enter bill of exchange amount, tenure, or other bill references and submit the bill for approval. Approval is done by a manager in bank, who has such a level access, and also he is the one making decision on due diligence or any compliance SOP.
Upon submitting the Billex for approval by the Creator, it will appear in the basket of approval in the dashboard of Manager or Authorizer account. Here, Authorizer can have a bill view option to see bill of exchange data, or he can scroll down to see all details about all parties.
Authorizer can also see the sample of signatures retrieved from the drawer or Draw-E accounts in eBillex platform.
Before approval, Authorizer needs to verify the amount and also key in the serial number manually. Authorizer eventually can approve and print the Billex. He or she may also see a report on the Billex, reprint the Billex if needed, or update the status of the Billex. Authorizer can also communicate directly with the parties involved in the order through a simple text messenger, which reflects comments in the user's dashboard. Once Billex is printed, it is an authenticated hybrid bill of exchange, which can be verified, accepted or endorsed electronically at www.ebillex.com. Bill verification is the unique advanced feature of Billex, which makes it authenticated and reliable internationally. Upon verification, a comprehensive report on the Billex will be downloaded as an electronic backup. Please remember that each Billex has a default privacy setting which bans public from downloading this report on the Billex. However, every user is allowed to verify if a Billex is valid or not by having the serial and reference numbers as a quick check.
Billex verification is actually an online access to each Billex comprehensive details as a report. In order to verify a Billex, user needs to key in the unique Billex serial and reference numbers, and proceed with verification.
Billex report is an online record on Billex as of issuing time. All parties' particularities, including their names, contacts and signatures, are reflected in this report, as well as all financial information on the bill of exchange. This report can be downloaded as a PDF document from eBillex website by the parties of the Billex, or at eBillex platform by banks. You may also try a dummy report at eBillex.com for your test as follow: the serial 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the reference 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and download a sample of a Billex report.
To learn more about eBillex and eBillex, please visit our wiki pages at wiki-ebillex.com or wiki-ebillex.com. You may also contact us at support@ebillex.com for technical inquiries, and sales@ebillex.com for information about our packages. Thank you for your time and interest in Billex.